So good evening students. So in continuation of the simple permanent tissue, next one is the collenchyma. Okay, what is collenchyma? The structure of collenchyma is it is a living tissue. The collenchyma or the living tissue, somewhat it has the elongated with cellulose thickening at the corners. Okay, here you can see the picture. Okay, the corners, you can see the picture, the thickened corners. Okay, these corners, okay, these tissues are elongated with cellulose. Okay, it is elongated with the this cell wall is elongated with the cellulose, and then these thickening corner, it has the thickening corners. Okay, and then it is a appear in the circular or oval in transverse section. Okay, here we can see the transverse section. In the transverse section we can see the, what is that, circular or oval shaped. Okay, they are found in the longitudinal strips. Normally it is found in the longitudinal strips, and then internally each cell possesses the large vacuole. Okay, you can see the picture, the white color structure is called as the vacuole. And then, so normally it has the central vacuole, and then peripheral cytoplasm, and then nucleus. Okay, these are all the things which is as the collenchyma. And then there is a little intercellular spaces present between the cells. Okay, in the collenchyma cells as the present between the little intercellular space, and then it consisting the irregular thickened walls. So these thickening caused by the uneven deposition of cellulose and pectin. Okay, cellulose and pectin at the corners. Okay, so what is the main where we can see that distribution, where we can see this collenchyma? One is the, this collenchyma tissue is usually found below the epidermis in the stem and then stalk of the leaves. Okay, and then it is also present in the mid rib of the leaves. Okay, if you are seeing the picture, you can centrally you can see the line like structure that is called as the midrib. In the midrib of the leaves contains the collenchyma, and then below the epidermis stem, and then it is absent in the monocot stems. Normally it is absent in the monocot stems. Okay, the main functions of the, this is the structure of the collenchyma, and then the main function of the collenchyma is it provides the tensile strength and rigidity. Okay, it provides the tensile strength and rigidity to the plant due to thickening of the walls. Okay, and this collenchyma also provides the elasticity to the plant organs. Okay, the flexibility in the plants is due to the collenchyma tissues. Okay, normally the plant can flexible. Okay, normally the bending of the leaves and then stem without breaking. Okay, without a breaking, that is responsible for the collenchyma cells. Okay, and it is also stores the food material. Okay, these are all the functions of the collenchyma. And the next one is the sclerenchyma. Okay, sclerenchyma is the simple permanent tissue. The cells of these tissue are dead. Okay, it has the dead tissues, and then the structure is long, narrow with the tapering ends. Okay, you can see the structure, it has the long, narrow and with the tapering ends. Okay, the cell wall is thickened. The cell wall is thickened due to the lignin, which is the chemical substance. Okay, lignin is the chemical substance that acts as a cement and hardens the stem. Okay, normally we can see that the stem are very hard in nature because of that lignin. Okay, and then these things consisting the central cavity of the cells greatly reduced to the thickening. Okay, these sclerenchyma tissue are two types. One is the fibers and sclerids. Okay, where we can see this sclerenchyma, these tissue occur in the veins of the leaves. Okay, it is occur in the veins of the leaves and in hard covering seeds and nuts. Normally we can see the seeds and nuts are covered by the thickened seed coat that is made up of the sclerenchyma. Okay, they form the major part of the walnut and shells and then other nuts. Okay, husk of coconut also made up of the sclerenchymatous cells. Okay, they form an important part of bark of the trees. Okay, these are all the distribution. We can see the sclerenchyma cells, and then the main functions of the sclerenchyma is it provides the mechanical strength to the plants. It provides the mechanical strength to the plants, and then it protect from the environmental forces like strong winds. Okay, due to the strong wind, some of the plant cannot break. Because of this sclerenchymatous tissue, okay, they make the plant hard and stiff. Okay, these are all the main functions of the sclerenchyma. And then this is the transverse section of the sclerenchyma, and then this is the longitudinal sections of the sclerenchyma. Okay, thank you.